Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Good morning, good evening, or good noon. So today's topic of discussion is actually how to get a job in Germany. Right, so I've been in Germany for about 2.5 months now. I've been here on an intercompany deputation, and ever since that I have come to this place, I actually have fallen in love, by the way. So I actually had my priorities set ever since. Always kept wondering on how to actually end up getting a job here all by myself without any support from anybody whatsoever. I heard a lot of things about getting a job in Germany. Few people told it's an absolute must-have to know German. By the way, I am a JavaScript developer, and trust me guys, if you are into the JavaScript ecosystem, it's not that difficult to get a job, alright? Especially in a country like Germany where there is skill shortage, and the government here is actually looking forward to JavaScript developers. So let's get started on how did I end up getting a job. So few things first. Job portals like LinkedIn, Stack Overflow, Glassdoor, they do help obviously, but at the same time you must realize that there are probably another 100 billion people who are applying through the same portal. So it's very obvious that your resume might not even reach the right person at the right time, right? If you are probably sitting somewhere else in the world, and if you are not in Germany, I'd highly recommend you to go through Xing and this website called honeypot.io. By the way, Honeypot, last year I think they won the award for the best startup in the recruiting market space. All right, yeah, I got my job from Honeypot as well. So it is a pretty straightforward process. So I had paid extra for LinkedIn Premium, but nothing was actually happening. I got a few calls from a few consultancies based in UK who recruit for the German space, and I actually did not know how that works. I still do not know because I haven't got a single offer from them. So I actually went ahead and created my profile in Honeypot. It's pretty simple. You just have to go to https://honeypot.io. It's a pretty straightforward portal, by the way. All you have to do is register, make sure that you have a GitHub profile to back whatever that you are searching for, and to back your resume. By the way, your resume is also very, very important in Germany, alright? And know one thing for sure, the German resume standard is a little bit different from the rest of the world. So do your research. There's something called EuroPass, which helped me build my resume, and by the way, it's for free. It's not paid, and you can edit as many times as you want. So you can definitely go up and look at EuroPass on how to make that perfect European standard resume. So once you have your resume made, what next? What next is profiles in platforms like Honeypot and Xing. By the way, Xing is the LinkedIn for Germany. Yes, maximum recruiters not even post on LinkedIn. What they do is they actually go through Xing profiles. Okay, so once you are into Xing or Honeypot, make sure that your profile reflects what you've written in your resume and it's absolutely up to date. All right, and once you have done that, in Honeypot, what happens is after you build your profile, you will be assigned a person who takes care of your case. So once you have a person assigned, you usually get a coding test. Yes, that's right, you get a coding test. Once you clear that coding test, only then does your profile move on to the next round, wherein it is made available for views for the recruiters who are searching on the platform. Okay, and once your profile is active, it's actually active, and it's visible to various companies for about, I think, 3 weeks if I'm not wrong, and that is the time when the recruiters start reaching out to you directly. And one very, very important thing, please create proper email addresses. Do not just go like funkyjazz@gmail.com and stuff. Yeah, create something that is professional, and that should actually get you going. So once you have your Honeypot profiles, once you've done with your coding test, companies get to talk to you directly one-on-one, and you get to choose which company you want and which ones you do not. Alright, so once you like a company's offer, you can directly have a one-on-one conversation with them. go through their procedures, because every company is different. Some might ask you for another coding test. That's absolutely on the company standards. For me, I had to just showcase my talent on GitHub because I have open source contributions, which sort of impressed many companies and many CEOs. Yes, right. In Germany, it's a very common trend that you could be interviewed by the CEOs even if you are on a hotshot position. Okay, so once you do that, then it's up to you if you accept the offer or not. For me, I interviewed with 4 companies and I got offers from 2. For the first month, I did not get that many offers, but I was very active on these profiles such as LinkedIn, Stack Overflow, Glassdoor, Zing. That's about it. That's what I did. Okay, so after that, what next? What next are your immigration stuff that will be taken care of by the immigration departments of Honeypot or the company who recruited you. So if you've gone through Honeypot, well, Honeypot does offer relocation assistance and does offer you help with the visa processes. Individual company policies might vary, so if you've got an offer directly from an individual company, you'll have to probably figure out if they offer relocation. By the way, I'd highly recommend that you only come through companies which do offer relocation assistance. Reason being, it's really difficult to get a German visa back from India. It's easier, actually pretty straightforward if you are in Germany. So once you've done with your visas and stuff, generally if you are into hotshot companies, they pay you for your flights up and down as well, but with the small startups, they'll not, for obvious reasons. They don't have funds. But yeah, if you're here, make sure you make the most of the time that you're here, because once you build up a rapport with these companies, you technically stick with them for your lifetime. I haven't heard too many people who have switched jobs around in Germany just because the policies are so good. And I'm pretty sure that you already know the perks about work in Germany. It's very employer friendly. It's not like the US or India where you slog 12 hours a day. No, that doesn't happen here. If it happens, your manager will fall into trouble, so it's an absolute no-go. So don't worry about that. Yeah, so let me know how you find these portals and if they were helpful to you at all or not. The main reason that I am making this video is because I have seen many posts on various platforms asking help on how to get a job. So once you get a job, if you still want to listen to what to do next, let me know. I'll make another video, and this is absolutely based on my personal experience. So till then, happy job hunting and wish to see you soon here. Bye bye.